Hey cuties, welcome back to J-Rock Yoga. My name is Jess, and today in this cozy little flow, we are going to be doing roll out of bed yoga flow. So it's gonna be comfy and cozy and comforting. You could do it in bed, just throw on some comfy clothes and you are good to go. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. I put out new videos every single week. Without further ado, throw on your PJs and let's do some yoga. Okay, loves, let's get started. So come all the way down onto your back if you're not there already. Good, and we're just going to hug our knees into our chest. Give yourself big love this morning. Maybe rock left and right a little bit. And then release the knees, extend the arms up over your head, extend your legs long, big stretch. Big inhale. Big exhale. Good. Bring your feet back so the knees are bent, feet are about hip width apart, and separate the feet about mat width apart or just a little bit wider than hip width if you're actually in bed. Gently place your knees over to the left and gaze to the right. We're going to take your left hand on the inner left thigh and the right hand comes out to the right. Breath in and breath out. Inhale, exhale, and then inhale, bring your knees back to center. Good, and exhale, drop the knees to the right, gaze to the left. Good. You can go ahead and bring your right hand inside the right thigh, left arm goes out to the left. You can gaze over the left fingertips. Nice, easy stretch, easy twist. Good, and then slowly come on back to center. Let's roll all the way to the left side and just gently come to all fours facing the back of the mat or any way that feels good to you. We're going to sink our sitting bones back toward the heels, legs stay together for a nice little child's pose here. Walk the hands out, forward, forward, forward in front of you, stretching the back. And then walk the hands over to the right, stretching the whole left side body. Inhale, come on back to center, and then walk the hands over to the left, stretching the whole right side body. Good, slowly come on back. And pull your weight all the way up to all fours. We'll drop your belly down. Gaze is up. And then exhale, round for your cat. One more inhale. And exhale, round for your cat. Good. Slowly come back to neutral as you scoot your knees forward. Bringing your knees together and opening your heels nice and wide, sitting in our Virasana, our hero's pose. Option one is to stay up like this, nice and tall. Option two, especially if you're in bed, this could be a really nice way to just stretch the front body. You can start to walk the hands back and come on down onto your forearms. And if this still feels all right, you can go ahead and walk all the way down and grab the opposite elbows. Again, just taking a few breaths here. Notice that the knees can separate on the mat, but they shouldn't pop up. If the knees are popping up off the mat, that's a little bit too much stress on the front of the thighs, so maybe come back up to a higher level. Expand your breath in. And let go of tension on your breath out. Inhales. And exhales. Just allowing the body to open, nice big stretch. And slowly, if you're all the way down, let's place our elbows back into the mat. And we're going to come back up onto the elbows and then up onto the hands. Very nice. We'll come back to a nice seat, releasing the heels from behind us. And we're going to come into a little bit of a twist. So let's take your left heel and bring it by your right glute. And then we're gonna pick up your right leg and cross it just outside of your left thigh. So we're gonna come into a nice little twist. So your right leg is on top, right foot is outside the left thigh. Good. Inhale, left arm comes up to the sky. And as you exhale, left elbow presses on the outside of the right knee and right hand comes back behind you. Inhale, lengthening up. Exhale, try and look over the right shoulder. Inhale, lengthening up. Exhale, looking over right shoulder. One more breath in. And exhale. Slowly come on back to center on an inhale. And release the legs. We'll bring your right heel close to your left glute. And then pick up your left leg. And send it to the right side of your left thigh. So switching sides, left leg is on top this time. Inhale, your right arm up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the left. Right elbow outside left knee. Press in, make a connection, and gaze back over the left shoulder, or as far as the neck wants to go. If you're not gazing all the way back, that's fine. Just look left. Big breath in, lengthen through the crown. Exhale, pull in the belly and twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, pull in the belly and twist. One more breath. Exhale, twist. Inhale, come on back to center. Give the knees a big hug. Gorgeous. Soles of feet together, let the knees drop out to either side. Take your peace fingers to the big toes. Inhale, expand, and as you exhale, fold forward, forehead down toward the feet. Slowly let the backs of the thighs pull down toward the bed or the floor. A few deep breaths here. Inhale, look up. Exhale, hold. And inhale, come all the way up. You can extend the legs and give them a little shake. Thanks for practicing. Thank you so much for getting cozy with me and practicing a little bit of yoga. If you loved this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can just hit the box below. I put out new yoga videos every single week. This way you won't miss a thing. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm at jrockyoga, and my website is jrockyoga.com. Thank you so much. We'll see you next week.